Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Exhibit Africa Live. This is your host, Christine. Thank you so much for tuning in today. For those that are joining us for the first time, thank you for being here. We're going to be carrying on with the countdown. As you may know or may not know, Exhibit Africa is turning 10 years, September the 4th, which is a big milestone for us. And that's the reason we decided to have a countdown before the Big 10. So I want to welcome you. Thank you for joining us. So today, today we're going to have a special guest who will be sharing her journey with us, because we've been on a journey. So we're inviting in some friends and well-wishers to share their journey with us so that we can get some inspiration to continue on maybe for another 10 years. But before we do that, I'm going to be sharing my music that I've compiled over the years, and I'm hoping that you get to enjoy some of this music, and I'm hoping that we will all dance to this music. I'm going to be sharing some African moves, right? So it's the rhythm, it's the moves, it's the spirit of Africa, and I'm excited to be sharing the spirit of Africa with you today. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna start on. We've been playing some legends, Africa's legends, who've played contemporary and traditional music, but we're gonna be playing some of the contemporary music from legends. And I would also like to say that some of the music has been muted because of the copyrights. So we're just hoping that maybe that won't be the case with this artist that we're having today. But we don't reserve the rights to this to the music. We're using it purposely for educational and entertainment purposes. So we're gonna kick off with our first artist, and that is Habib Koita. He's a Malian musician. He's from Mali. He's a singer, songwriter, a griot based in Mali. His band Bamanda was a supergroup of West Africa, and it consists of musicians that included Kale Tingui, Diabeti on balafon. So his music is composed. It's a mix of African instruments, but he also uses some Western instruments. So as you're gonna hear, his music is rich with sounds, rhythms, vocals, and all that. So I hope you enjoy it. So we'll start off with our first track, and I would like to say kudos to my assistant, who is also the sound engineer for the day. She's gonna be helping. She's gonna be bringing some of these songs, beautiful songs we're gonna be listening to pretty soon. So kudos to her. So we're gonna kick off with Habib Koita. Again, if you want to check out his music, it's on my YouTube channel, which is yours truly, Christine P. And the first song we're gonna kick off with is called Africa. So please enjoy this, and it's in Mali. It's in a local language. So let's warm up. Okay, I think we might use a little bit of more sound, please.
Continent Africa, corruption, destination Africa, gouvernance ensablée d'Africa, les guerres et génocides Africa. United Nations aussi a décidé dans son programme de développer Africa, diminuer sa pauvreté, diminuer sa pandémie du sida, diminuer le décès de ses enfants, diminuer tout ce qu'elle doit, maman.
Alright, so that was Ele Africa by Koita Habib. He's from Mali. If you liked his music and you want to check out some more of his music, please don't hesitate to go to my YouTube channel. That is yours truly, Christine P. That's where you're gonna find more of some of the African, some of my African selection, and I've also uploaded a variety of his music. So the next song that we're gonna be moving on to is gonna be by Habib. Which track are we having next? We're having the next track by Habib. I've had an opportunity to check him out at the Harbourfront. And no, I beg your pardon, not at the Harbourfront, in Toronto. He had a show in Toronto, and it was a beautiful, like he put on a really nice show, interactive show. This was during the winter, but I discovered his music in the early 2000s, and I liked the sounds. His music is rich with sounds, and I picked interest in his other music. And I got to find that there's this relaxing, it's relaxing and calming, and it's filled with richness. There's a lot to his music, but it might be a different experience for you. But you can try it out and see what that experience might be for you. Okay, so we're gonna move on to his other song, which is Botunabe, and I believe this could be in Mali. But it's also beautiful. It's beautiful sounds. So we're gonna move on to that. But I also want to remind you that I have my sister coming on at 6:30. We're gonna have a chat about what she does, and she's gonna share some good insight about her product. So please, let's move on to the next track, which is Botunabe. All right, here we go.
Mambi. Go back to Mambi. Nimbolo da sinka, sina diate, sina diate, sinti la diado. Ambolo da kana diate, kana diate, kanti la diado. Nimbolo da buluka, bolo la diate, bolo la diate, bolo la diado. Back to Mambi. 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 Back to Mambi.
You enjoyed that. So that was Batuman there by Habib Koita. He's from Mali. If you want to discover more of his music, please don't forget to check out my YouTube channel at yours truly, Christine P. That's where I've compiled my music over the years, and so there's a whole mix of music from different regions of Africa. So if you want to discover more of Africa's legends or Africa's sounds, or you want to find a way connect to the African culture, please visit my YouTube channel at yours truly, Christine P. Then you come across more music, and I do actually add music to my playlist, like new music that comes out from the continent. I do add that. You can also subscribe while you're there, so you don't miss out on any other music. So we're going on to the next track. And the next track that we're going to be playing is, let's see. So we're going to be going on to Kanawa, which is track number 1, yes. Again, that's by Habib Koite. Today I chose to focus in on his music because he has a lot of beautiful sounds that haven't been explored. So we're going to move into Kanawa, which is his next title. And please enjoy it. And don't forget to join me at 6 o'clock when I'm having a chat with my one of my guests. Okay, let's move on to Kanawa.
Lekani makanawa, lekani makanawa, kani na koleko, ni na sekela, inkanawa kanetu. Bila kotuma rosa, ama kono migolina. Kakana salungi maminyo maefono, ikana makanetu. Na kasiketu, lete na kumaketu, lete na makaketu, na toyorogana, iroge ileto. Nakatie mekanu bafina, lama na boye, ninu kera nyofeku jama. Quiero kila sewa sewa sewa, fika na makaneto.
Okay, and I think this is gonna be our last track for the day. Next, we're gonna be having an interview with my sister, so don't miss out on that. Don't miss out on that chat. Once again, welcome to Exhibit Africa Live. I want to thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to check out our online magazine if you've missed out on any other events or any other live performances. right, all right. So once again, thank you so much for joining us on Exhibit Africa Live. I hope you enjoyed that performance, and I hope you enjoyed the music. Please check out my YouTube channel at yours truly, Christine, if you wanna check out the other music. And please don't forget to join us on our live chat in the next few minutes. Thank you, and bye for now.